Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, October 24th, 2025.
This week, our campuses came together in a sea of bright orange shirts to take a stand against bullying during National Unity Day. Unity Day celebrates kindness, inclusion, and acceptance, reminding us that when we stand together, we're stronger. A big shout out to our wellness team and student leaders for organizing activities that encourage students to say boo to bullying. In high school news, the LAHS Orchestra performed their fall concert this week, filling the room with festive sounds to kick off Halloween week and showcasing their incredible talent and dedication. Speaking of Halloween, the Los Alamitos High School Instrumental Music Program has been hard at work practicing for their appearance in the Anaheim Halloween Parade that will be happening this Saturday, October 25th. Speaking of the arts, it was showtime for Los Al's drama production of The Addams Family. Earlier in the week, drama students from McAuliffe and students from our adult transition program had the special opportunity to preview the performance, and they loved it. The show officially opened on Thursday night, but there's still time to catch it. Performances continue tonight at 7 p.m. and Saturday with a 2 p.m. matinee show and a 7 p.m. evening show. In elementary news, our Weaver Whales kicked off Red Ribbon Week with their annual First Responders Flag Ceremony, a heartfelt tradition honoring the incredible frontline heroes who protect and serve our community every day. From police officers to firefighters to paramedics and doctors, these real-life heroes continue to inspire our students to live healthy, safe, and drug-free lives. At this week's Board of Education meeting, our LAE Tigers filled the boardroom for a night of celebration, including a beautiful patriotic performance from the LAE Choir, followed by a presentation from Principal Jenny Padilla and two incredible fifth graders talking about all of the amazing things happening at LAE. They concluded the night by recognizing their hero of the heart, Mrs. Claudia Chaddock. Speaking of our Tigers, LAE went Tiger tonight this week in round 2 of our Attending School is Cool Attendance Challenge. By the end of the day on Thursday, the score was tied 2-2, so you'll have to tune in next week to see who takes home the win. And in last week's close matchup, our Eagles soared to victory over our Lions, which met Principal Mr. Castillo and Assistant Principal Mr. Segura, spent all day on Thursday proudly rocking Eagle spirit wear. This week, Rossmoor Night Leadership Council got a special visit from our Los Alamitos High School ASB students, who led team building games, shared poster making tips, and of course, topped the legendary roller coaster. And finally, we're ending this week with another reason why our principals are simply the best. To celebrate Hopkinson hitting a 100% PTA membership goal, Principal Mr. Farvour went all in on school spirit, spending the entire day dressed as a chicken jockey. Yes, the tiny zombie riding a chicken from Minecraft. Students couldn't stop laughing as he flapped his wings and strutted through campus, proving that once again, our Los Al principals will do whatever it takes to make learning fun. And that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.
That's the wrap up!